Okay, guys, so today we're making spaghetti. Yes, so we're doing it in Nigerian way, a Nigerian style spaghetti, or you can call it Jollof spaghetti. That is what we're doing today. I'm so excited. But before we start, hello and welcome to Benedict's table. All right, let's get started. You'd start first by boiling your water and then adding your oil into the water. Then next, you throw in your spaghetti and you cook it. Yes, we're not going to cook this to be too soft. It will be just al dente. Yes, still hard, a little bit hard. Next, we're going to be sauteing our chicken. So in a pan, you go in with your oil, vegetable oil, olive oil, or whatever type of oil you choose to. Throw in your chicken, your diced or chopped chicken, stir it, and then season. Yes, you season this to taste by adding your seasoning powder and then salt. This is actually not going to take long, just a few minutes, and our chicken has been cooked. Now we take this out of the pan because we're still going to use this pan for our sauce, the jollof sauce. So we'll be adding in more oil into the pan, and next we're going to be sauteing our onion and our garlic. So we're actually adding garlic because we want this distinct flavor. Yes, not the usual flavor we usually like what you're used to. We want something different. And next we'll be going in with our chopped scotch bonnet pepper. I love my food to be very, very spicy. Yes, I love it very spicy. That is why I'm adding this much pepper. But you can decide to skip this if you're not too cool with it. Then our tomatoes. We're going to fry this for some time, just a few minutes, until it no longer tastes sour. Yes, and if at any point you discover that it still has that sour or slappy taste, you can add in some baking soda you get to reduce the sour taste. Next, we go in with our herb salt and more seasoning. Yes, so since I added herb salt, I don't think I would need any other type of herb or spices you get, because the herb salt is made of rosemary, thyme, just a mixture of herbs. So everything is in the salt already. We fry this until we are okay. And now at this point, we're adding our protein. We're going to be using some diced goat meat and then our sauteed chicken. We'll cook this for a bit. And ensure you taste your seasoning, because you don't want to be serving people something that is bland. No one would actually eat that. So ensure you taste it. And if you discover at any point that your sauce is too thick, you can loosen it up by adding more water, as you can see. So we added more water to loosen the sauce, and we'll be going in with our cooked pasta. Yes, so this process is actually very simple and straightforward. You can see how the sauce is still sizzling and cooking and looking so yummy. We're going in with our pasta at this point, and then we'll be stirring it, mixing it up, and that is just all. That is all you need to do, and our pasta is ready. Our jollof spaghetti is ready. If you've watched to this point, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it, and also drop nice comments. If you have questions as well, you can drop it, and I'll be in the comment section to give you the needed answer. And I would also love for you to try out this recipe and let me know how it came out. And whichever country you're watching from, or wherever in the world you're watching from, I would like you to let me know, so I would give you a shout out on my next video. So we're still stirring the pasta. We want the sauce to be well incorporated into this whole pasta, and the moment that is done, the food is ready. Alright, as you can see, everything has been properly mixed, and we are now plating this. You know, some people are going to be devouring this, and I will give you a feedback on what they said or how it tasted. You're going to get that feedback, probably not in words, but you're going to see for yourselves. Okay guys, our pasta is ready. Yes, and you're all invited to join in devouring this. Okay, and do I need to tell you what people actually said, or the comments that came in after tasting this? Do I need to tell you? I don't think you need to hear that. From the look of this pasta alone, from the look of it, you know what it tastes like. It was so delicious, very, very yummy, and the taste was actually out of this world. Yes, it was completely out of this world. So we've come to the end of this video. Until my next video, stay safe and out of trouble. Bye.